Yeah, hello, hi students. Today we are doing grade 11th chemistry chapter 1 question. Okay, so let me just make adjustments to my screen and then I'll begin with the solution here. Okay, all right, we have adjusted the screen now. Okay, see you now. So what we can do here, the question is calculate the amount of water uh, produced by the combustion of 16 grams of methane, children. Okay. So what are we going to do here? First of all, we'll write the equation for combustion of methane. Combustion of any hydrocarbon will give two products, that is carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so methane, what the formula for methane? CH4, which is in gaseous state, plus oxygen. Okay, oxygen is also what? In gaseous state. It gives what? Carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, children, you must know how to write, formulas and all that very well. Now, what we can do here, we will balance it first. Okay, so carbon looks already balanced. Now, if you see a hydrogen, here there are four hydrogens and here there are two hydrogens. So, what I'll do is I'll put it here two. Okay, and then just let us check oxygens. Oxygens here are two on reactant side and on product side, here two oxygens and here 2 times 1, which is 2, 4 oxygens. So just let us multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2, okay? Alright, so this become what? Oxygen. Now, what is he asking? See, in textbook, he has given a difficult method here. Means many students can get confused what he has done and all that. It's very simple. Basically, he's asking 16 grams of methane, okay? So now this equation is balanced. So we know the ratio between methane and water. Just we'll consider this methane and we'll consider this water. Okay. So now what we can do here, CH4, just calculate the, MRR, you can say the molar mass of carbon. Carbon is 12 plus hydrogen is 4. Okay. Because one hydrogen is 1, we can take approximately, which is basically 16 grams of methane. Okay, so 16 grams of methane, he's asking 16 grams of methane only. So already in the balanced form, we have 16 grams of methane. So let's see how much water we will get it over here. Okay, so we'll directly take that particular thing only. So water is how much? I have one hydrogen for one, which is two hydrogens, so 2 plus oxygen molar mass is 16. Now then this you multiply by 2, so which will give you how much? 2 times 18, that is 36 grams. So we don't have to do any calculation. Just 16 grams is the balanced in the balanced form. We're getting methane, and this is what 36 grams. We're getting what here? Water. Okay, so this is the case. So it's very simple. This sort of questions you can solve very easily. You just need to know the concepts well. And many students they won't be able to do this question properly. Why? What's the reason? The reasons are this. Okay, they don't know how to write the formula first, formula of elements, okay, and how to just write them in the equation. Second thing, they don't know, how to balance. Okay, so you need to know here balancing. Third thing, there are many students, still I know, okay, so they don't know how to calculate the molar masses, okay, because mostly in CBSE, molar masses won't be given in most of the cases. We have to calculate, there is some trick to calculate molar masses. And after molar masses, of course, you need calculation, a small calculation we have here. We need what? Small calculation. Okay. So these tips, many students they may not be knowing. So that's the reason they won't be able to understand this question properly. If you know these things properly, okay, if you know these things properly, then you can understand any sort of question, either it's CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB, any curriculum. Okay, they can solve questions related to this concept, proper way. Okay, so if you are not understanding these concepts, don't worry. Okay, so it happens. Okay, because if your basics are not good, it happens. Okay, so you can just follow us on YouTube at M.Educators Academy, and Instagram also you can follow us at M.Educators Academy. And I'll be just giving some online tuitions and offline tuitions from the coming academic year in Hyderabad. Okay, so you can just see if you want to just learn basics of NEET and all those properly. You can just approach us. Okay, thank you. But anyway, just see this explanation. If you are finding it good, you can just comment us and just share with your family and friends. Okay, thank you.